that, you deserve a quarter of a slinger.
Don't throw that now, James. You have to wait.
Come on, let's go up at the lake.
Yeah, get me home.
Get your home, get your car.
Careful, careful. James! No,
Daddy!
You're gonna get your feet wet! Yay!
Oh, Mom!
Just stay there, because the water's coming in quickly. Good throw, James. Yeah, good throw. Oh, the dog got it. Uh-oh. Run, yeah, run.